Class 10 Ideas of Development Chapter 2. Firstly, we discuss introduction of the chapter. We have aspirations about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. So everybody have some aspirations. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. So how we think, aspirations about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, these type of aspirations have about a country should be like. So we may come across few questions when we think about development. So what are the essential things that we require? What are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? Can life be better for all? So can there be more equality? These type of questions may come across in our mind. Development involves thinking about these questions. Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. This is a complex task, and in this chapter we shall make a beginning at understanding a development. So what development promises different people, different goals. So what development promises different people and different goals. Different persons can have different development goals. So what may be development? So what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. So to understanding this point, we have to see the two examples. So look at the picture. Whose development? So even the idea of development constitutes development can be varied and conflicting. Then certainly there can be differences about ways of developing. The ongoing protest over the Kundankulam nuclear power project in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu is one such conflict. So actually this project is the government of India thinking that making good development. So it is more destructive to the respective local people. So look at that. The government of India is set up the nuclear power plant in this coastal town of Fisher Folks. The aim is to generate nuclear power to meet the growing energy needs of the country. The people in the region have protested on the grounds of safety, security, and livelihood. So, a long struggle has ensued. Scientists, environmentalists, social activities who have been critical of the project have stood by the people. So letters of protest to the government state that you are unable or unwilling to appreciate that in nuclear energy we are conformed not only with an immense power but also an incredible potential for destruction. We want our coast and country protest from the radioactive peril. Stop the project. Look to renewable energy resources as an alternative source. The government has responded that the plant has all the safety measures and despite protests is going ahead with the project. So the conclusion is the government is decided to place a power project at Kundankulam district. So many of the local people and social activities and environments think that okay, so even though it is development to the local areas and the country, so they thought that there are no safety measures. Okay, so they are facing radioactive peril. So radioactive perils, these are many types of there are many types of skin diseases if they may cause any accidentals to the plants. That's why they are try to stop the protect. So here we have to observe that so government is decided to develop local areas under national interest, but the people are against to that. So this type of conflicts may occur. So that means development means so it is good to somebody and it is bad to someone. So look at the another example. So this is a newspaper report. So look at that, a vessel dumped 400 tons of liquid toxic waste into open air dumps in a city and in the surrounding sea. So this happened in a city or it is a city named Abidjan. So it is a city in Ivory Coast, okay, a country in Africa. The fumes from the highly toxic waste, caused nausea, skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea, etc. So after a month, 7 persons were dead, 20 in hospitals, okay, 20 in hospitals and 26,000 treated for symptoms of poisoning. So a multinational company dealing in petroleum and metals contracted a local company of the Ivory Coast to dispose the toxic waste from its ship. So actually, so this is a development task, but due to lack of safety measures, so many people injured due to the cause. So in development, the safety measures is very important thing. So this article is we have taken from adapted from article by Hindu. So next look at the income and other goals. So what people desire are regular work. What people desire are regular work, better wages and decent prices for their crops or other products that they produce. So in other words, they want more income. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. These are the non-material things. So equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect from others. So all these are important goals. Not only earning income, these non-material things also important goals in our life. So in fact, in some cases, they may be more important than more income. So or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. So they think that so not only material goods are important for life, non-material goods are also very very important to our life. So money or material things, that one can buy with it are one factor on which our life depends. So today many of the material things needed money to buy, and if you think we have material things we are happy, this is not correct way, and this one is the not correct exactly. So what are the different non-material things, look at that, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. The quality of our life also depends on non-material things. If you get a job, look at an example. So what are material things and non-material things? If you get a job in a far off place, if you get a job in a far off place, you would try to consider many factors apart from income. So not only you have to think about income, so you have to keep in mind different types of factors. So apart income, so what are that? This could be facilitates for your family. It is very suitable place to your family, and working atmosphere there, working atmosphere or opportunity to learn. So opportunity, there must be an opportunity to learn something new things. That means you need some time. In other case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. So today in our society, most of the jobs don't have security. Security is very important aspect with respect to the job. Another job, however, so in this case less pay. So there is another opportunity. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security. High pay but no job security, and also leave no time for your family to spend with your family. You don't have any time. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals, mixed type of goals. That means they expect freedom, so sometime to spend family, okay, to learn new things, everything they expect, not only money. It is true that if women are engaged in a paid work, it is true that if women are engaged in a paid work, the family income increases. Ultimately, the family income increases, and their dignity in the household and society increases. So not only income increases if women works in a society, so their dignity increased. Okay, not only in household and also in the society. However, it is also the case that if there is a respect for the women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. Greater acceptance of women working outside. So, a safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. Hence, the development goals that people have are not only about better income, but also about other important things in life. So, income and other goals. So, we most probably nobody can concentrate on income, and they can think about other goals like freedom, security of jobs, like that.